Hi, I'm Lisa, one of the staff at Poultry Care. We are the leading poultry solutions provider in Nigeria with offices in Lekki and Ibadan, and hoping to be in your state soon. Do you need battery cages now or soon? Get your cages, manure scraper, and point-of-lay hens and day-old chicks from us. Our battery cages are A-type and H-type California designs and are 100% foreign. We have quality and affordable cages that fit into your budget in our warehouse. We offer free installation, free delivery, and technical support to our clients nationwide. We look forward to your patronage. If you have any inquiry about our products and services, kindly visit any of our offices or send a message now. See you soon.
What the sense of cage looks like. As you can see, what we have here is a set of cage, and we have various capacity of cage. We have all the poultry equipment in our warehouse. Why not get in touch with us today and get your farm equipment? Thank you.